Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I already know what you're gonna say. It's been a minute, like a good minute, but your girl been struggling with her health. We're gonna get into that in a second, but right now let's get into this Fashion Nova haul. The very first outfit I want to try on is a two-piece jump set. First things first, I love the color. I love how vibrant it is. I will say I did decide to wear that top on a date night out. I didn't end up wearing the bottoms because the seat of the pants sit kind of low. And I will say, for a person who struggles with an autoimmune system disease that causes bloating and causes inflammation of my stomach and digestive tract and things of that sort, it's gonna show every bump and lump. So if you got issues with bloating or health issues, I don't know if I would recommend this one for outdoor events, only for indoor date nights or anything that's cozy indoors. But we're gonna move on to this top. This top and also these flare jeans, first and foremost, this top is fire in person. If you're thinking about getting this top, don't hesitate. In person, it looks phenomenal. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I got so many compliments on the very first time I wore this top. Like, I tested the waters and I tested it out, and not only did I like the top, but a lot of other people said it. So that's what I would recommend. I will also tell you though, the only thing is it does look fire, but that neckline is very small. Like, a lot of people have complained that it's so tight that it's hard for them to squeeze their head. So if you got a big head, I don't know if this is a shirt for you, but other than that, it's super cute. Or also, if you got bigger hairstyles or you just curled your hair, you don't want to mess it up, I would definitely consider that, because the neckline is super small. But we're gonna move on to these pair of jeans that I purchased. I purchased these because they're, first of all, I like the color variation. It's not just one hue of blue. It's like several. I wouldn't say medley, but it's several. And not to mention, your girl always is wearing black. Like, I wear black all the time, so I needed to add a lighter pair of jeans into my wardrobe. And I like these. I like how they fit. They're not like, I know some people complain about jeans being a little, like, the material is too firm, too hard. These are soft, like buttery soft. And it has a good stretch to it. And also, I paired this with the top that I also got from Fashion Nova a couple of orders ago. So I don't really recall which top this was, but I'm pretty for sure they might still have it on their website. And also, you'll see my baby girl, she gotta be nosy. She gotta see what I'm doing. So as I'm trying on these outfits, you're gonna see her doing her little Inspector Gadget thing. I'm like, what are you expecting? But she want to see what I'm doing. So, hey. So I will say, you could wear flats or heels. I decided to pair these with some boots because I love boots. Not to mention, I messed up one of my legs. So I do heels, but I don't really do heels. Like, if that makes sense. I will wear heels, but I'm a little bit nervous about it because I messed my knee up already. So anyways, we gonna move into this next piece. These are some black skinny jeans. Like, I have a billion of these. Like, you cannot have enough black skinny jeans. Like, these, they're everything. They fit nice, you know, they have a nice stretch. I love the high-waisted look, to be honest. And as you can see, I paired these jeans with some boots I got from Fashion Nova. The material is almost like, I think, like snake skin, but I did get some booties from Fashion Nova. I think that's what you would consider them. And then I paired it with a pine green top. Now, I don't remember where I got this pine green top from, but when I put this outfit together, I had more in mind of what you would wear if you were invited out to like a business lunch or a business dinner or a business outing. See, with this combination, it's professional, but it's also casual as well. So if you want to dress it down a little bit, this is where your jacket comes into play. So I decided to pair with the leather jacket to match the boots, to match the material of the boots, to put it simply. And so I'm just showing you a couple different looks that you can go width on this particular outfit, and it will make it more casual if you add this jacket to the outfit itself. And I will say it's so very important. I feel like if you want to have versatility in your wardrobe, to have several different jackets, not just one of a particular material. I know some people were saying, do people wear leather anymore? In reality, I wear whatever the heck I want to wear. I'm gonna be honest with you. And to me, I personally feel like it just doesn't go out of style. It goes with so many different things. Even if a lot of people aren't wearing it, you do your own thing. You make your own style, you set your own trend. But anyways, I think it's good to have like a leather, or you could do vegan leather. Leather jacket, a jean jacket. I even have a corduroy jacket, to be honest. I have several different puffer, sleeveless, long sleeve, short sleeve. Like, I have so many different jackets. It's not even funny. I actually probably have more jackets than anything else in my wardrobe. But anywho, I'm just showing you guys what it would look like if you guys were to style it this way. I think it's so very important. I think for consumers to have available like videos or just real life reviews on products. For me, anytime I buy a product, even a wardrobe piece, a lot of times I want to see a real life human being trying it on, like a real person. So that's why I enjoy making these videos. And also, I like to give people creative ideas on how they could style a particular outfit, even if you don't get these particular things. But I do like to give people ideas on what they could do in order to style their particular outfit, depending on the occasion. I think that's the most important thing. But yes, I love, like I said before, being able to get a review on a particular item before I buy it, so I know if it looks exactly how the item is online. So with that being said, that's going to wrap up this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for sticking it out, and I'll catch you on the next one.